the National Institutes of Health, NIH, the world's largest biomedical research institution, is facing a potential crisis due to sweeping policy changes implemented by the Trump administration. These changes, which include a now-rescinded funding freeze, a communications blackout, and a staff travel ban, have prompted the NIH Fellows Union, representing approximately 5,000 researchers, to issue a legally binding demand for collective bargaining. The union's action underscores the profound impact these policies could have on the crucial work conducted at the NIH and throughout the global research community. The NIH's annual budget exceeds $40 billion, supporting over 300,000 researchers at more than 2,500 universities, medical schools, and other research institutions worldwide. Nearly 6,000 scientists conduct research within the NIH's own laboratories. This extensive network of researchers relies heavily on consistent funding to conduct vital health research, driving advancements in medical treatments, disease prevention, and our fundamental understanding of biological processes. The threat of a funding freeze, even if temporarily rescinded, casts a long shadow over the future of this vital work. While an Office of Management and Budget memo initiating the funding freeze was ultimately revoked on Wednesday, the situation remains uncertain. The White House clarified that a separate executive order issued by President Trump remains in effect, leaving the ultimate impact on research grant funding ambiguous. This ambiguity creates a climate of anxiety and uncertainty among researchers, delaying projects, hindering recruitment efforts, and potentially causing significant setbacks in ongoing studies. The ripple effect of this uncertainty extends beyond the NIH itself, affecting countless research projects globally that depend on NIH grants. Acting NIH Director Dr. Matthew Memali has reportedly attempted to reassure researchers, stating that clinical trials, both those conducted within the NIH and those funded by the NIH, can continue along with essential hiring and purchasing activities. However, these assurances fail to address the broader concerns regarding the long-term implications of the administration's policies. Many researchers remain deeply concerned about the potential for future funding cuts, the chilling effect of the communications blackout on collaboration and data sharing, and the practical difficulties imposed by the travel ban. The NIH Fellows Union's demand for collective bargaining highlights the researchers' determination to protect their work and secure a stable future for biomedical research. This union, formed only a year ago after gaining approval from the Federal Labor Relations Authority, represents the largest new union of federal employees in a decade and the first at the NIH. Their recent contract negotiation victory underscores the growing strength and resolve of the NIH's research community in advocating for its interests. The union's legal action reflects the deep concern that these policy changes will severely limit researchers' ability to conduct their crucial work, potentially undermining decades of progress in biomedical research and impacting public health for years to come. The long-term consequences of these policy uncertainties remain a major source of anxiety for the research community, and a swift resolution is necessary to ensure the continued progress of vital scientific endeavors. The uncertainty surrounding future funding and the broader implications of the executive order necessitates immediate and transparent communication from the administration to alleviate concerns and restore stability to the NIH and the wider research community. The global impact of potentially stalled or canceled research projects cannot be overstated.